Welcome back to another Next Level PC unboxing video. My name is Brian, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Compucase Voyager. It's a budget case based on the price, but it doesn't look bad, so let's get into it and see how it holds up. Alright, let's get into it. It looks like it comes packaged just like every other case. With your styrofoam on the top and bottom. Nice and simple packaging. And here we go. The first look at the Compucase Voyager. Take a look at the front first. Right here you could put a 120mm fan, but that is not included with this case. You've got your two USB 2.0s, a headphone jack and a microphone jack. Right here is a spot for a 3.5-inch bay. And up here you have spots for two 5.25-inch bays for your CD drives or digital fan controllers. You have a reset button and your power buttons right here with the lights for your hard drive and your system. Nothing too fancy on the side here, but you do have room to put on two 120mm fans if you decide to do so. Looking at the back here, you'll see your power supply is mounted on the top. That's a little different than the standard nowadays, so just be aware that it's up there. Your motherboard is going to sit right here in the middle of the case. And these PCI Express covers, they do not go back on, so they're not reusable. Just be aware of that. And this case comes pre-installed with one 80mm case fan. Nothing too special on the inside here. You got your front panel connectors going on. And this case has spots for two 5.25-inch bays for your hard drives, but it does have the ability to expand up here at the top. There are 4 different spots for 5.25-inch bays, and you can buy yourself an adapter that allows for 3.5 conversion, so you could get some of those in there for that. But it's not, it only comes with 2, so just be aware of that. Thanks for watching this Next Level PC unboxing video. If you liked what you saw, click like and subscribe. And keep in mind, Next Level PC does custom builds, so if you're in the market for a new PC, give us a message on Facebook. We'd love to work with you. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time.